All right, so this is us having a go at XLBI challenge 30. We will come back in 10 minutes and then we'll see how we've all gone. All right, see you in 10 minutes, everyone. All right, so I'll share my screen. I did really badly on that because I ended up down a silly rabbit hole. Okay, hopefully you can see this. So I was fine solving it if you separate it out. I just separated out the letters, took the unique letters from that, did a count of each unique letter within the word, and just returned the filtered items where the count was greater than one. I just couldn't get it to work in a let, which is where I kind of started off, and then I was trying to wrap it all up. I'm pretty sure it's just the way COUNTIFs works.
Yeah, it doesn't
And
work with
I,
an
I
array.
know you guys have talked about this a million times, and I always forget. So maybe this will be a really useful reminder for me of why it just doesn't return counts. It just gives me a bunch of values. I'm sure it's COUNTIFs.
It is. It only works with ranges.
And what's the fix for that? So there is a quick fix, isn't there, that I can do in here somehow?
Well, you can't use counters, but you could use anything else. You could use map pretty much. You could use, like, since you already calculated the unique values, you don't have to use group by anymore. Otherwise, you could just group by. That's what I did. But you could technically do map using the unique values and then just takes the sum pretty much of nu equals SPL. So if you map your unique values and check when this value equals SPL, then you take the count using that.
Well,
That would be one option.
shall I stop sharing? Because it might be easier if I just hand the baton over to you at that point. Do you mind
Um,
showing
I,
what you mean?
yeah, I can. I tried, as I said, I tried regex, but it didn't work. So I'm looking forward to both solution. Hopefully he got it to work because for me, no, I still don't understand why it doesn't work. But okay, so let's see.
And also, what isn't there like a quick
Is
shortcut to turn an array in COUNTIFs into a range, or did I mishear that at a point in?
No, like a range has like a cell pretty
Yeah.
much behind it. So if you have it calculated, there is no cell associated with it. So
Right.
if you don't want to have an extra step where you have the array pretty much spill into the grid, you will never have a range. But what
Okay.
you could have done, like what I mean is, you had okay, mid
Do you mind
sequence.
zooming in a little bit?
Oh yes, I can. Give me 1 second. I will quickly just okay, zooming in like that.
Perfect.
So pretty much if you have for this is a bad example, but we can take it. So pretty much this is your letters, right? So you can uni or something would be unique of let. And what I meant was you could map uni and then something like lambda, I don't know, u for again unique, and some n of, and now you check your current letter, so u equals all of the letters, and that would be your count in this case. So if you
Oh,
put it down, that works because you can use something like that. So that would work, or you don't have to take unique, you can group by. That's what I did. I also mid-sequence, then I grouped by, counted the rows, and then I just filtered the letters where my amount, where the count is larger than one, and I used array to text. The separator is different because my regional settings has it a little bit different, right? I don't use a comma as a separator, I use a semicolon. So that's why it looks a bit different. But what I tried, like in the beginning, I hope Bo has a good solution. I wanted to extract everything. Like my thought was, I want to extract a character when I have a positive look ahead with the same character again. So I thought if I find a letter later again, I want to extract it. But I know that a look ahead doesn't consume characters. So probably that's the issue here. I don't know. Like I also thought using regex, um, like what's
or
the
look
English
at that.
name? regex, no, regex extract I also thought about. No, regex replace is the English word. Sorry, it's I usually have them in German. Regex replace, where I just say I want you to replace the first instance of a specific letter in a text, but I don't know how to do it because I can do the pattern, but I don't know if I can use anything like that here. But pretty much my first idea was I want to use positive look ahead or look behind, exactly. And I didn't get it to work. So I'm interested to see if Bo has a solution.
Okay, cool. Thanks. That was awesome. Bo, should we hand over to you? Did you do any crazy stuff on that?
Use widgets.
Say that again.
Yeah, this shadow.
Yeah, it is.
Oh God, okay.
Okay.
Wow.
So I
Do you
don't
mind
see my
zooming in a
screen.
little
I
bit,
don't
Bo?
know.
Do you mind zooming
Wait,
in a little bit? Awesome, thank you.
So actually the okay, I'll just do step by step here. Let's
Yeah, I already
take
saw
this
what I
one.
missed.
Regex, no. Regex extract here. I want something, so I put like this one. This can be anything. If I put one here, it will extract everything here. And then I'm looking for anything, the same thing here that followed by the same thing. So this is like look, I'm not sure, look ahead or look behind, but
Look ahead.
this one have to follow by something with star. So this is an unlimited length. So L can follow by any stop here and then follow by the same stop again, which is the same here is you /1. So this /1 refer to this, but have to be the exact same thing, which is like L have to be by L. So it's go like this. So it's extract anything that have the same thing behind. So S here, found S behind. So it's extract here. And then E, found anything that extract behind. So this is my first step. And then this one I just add for like to see if I have multiple E, it will extract some more like so my next step is I don't want anything that followed by that one 2 times. So I only want the first instant. This is the first one, and then the other one here, I don't want anything that followed by. So this is negative. And then followed by same thing again. So this is first time. And if I end here, it will not find anything. Yes, yep, not find anything. But I want this one to be 2 times. So it's one take E for multiple time, like in row 12 here. We'll just repeat this one. Now it's only extract the first E. I think the last E, maybe, I guess. And then this is still like what case sensitive because L is not extracting the L out. So to fix this one, I can go lower. So we'll get L here. But lower here also get the small L. Another thing is like I can go case sensitive, but this one will extract the first one, which is go capital, and then sample is small letter. Go with that lower one. So this is, I think it's the same here. Yeah, it's extract the first one. So guess if I put this to E, okay. Now what I don't know is this method is extract the first one or the last one, but I guess it's extract the first one.
Yep.
The bottom one, maybe the last one. Yes, maybe I think it's extract this one. So this is E and E. Yep, it's extract the last one that have anything followed by itself. So this is extract. but maybe we can order that one later. This is my first one, which is regex extract, and then I just like array to text by everything here. What's this? Okay, this is the one I remove duplicate with repeat 2 times. Okay, now I want to go with regex replace.
Yeah.
I use the same pattern here. Use the same pattern here. Oh, with this one, okay. Grab with this one, but I change this one to regex replace. Then I'll replace with nothing, like okay, go with lower. Now it's extract this one out, so there will be no capital L here, no S, no first S. But if I want this one, so I want to keep this, I put this one. So this is my first group. It will get back the L, but it still keep everything behind because I didn't keep. I only extract all this. Anything that not in here is still there. So I put this on and dot. So this dot can be all other character that I didn't capture on this one. So when I put like this, it will remove everything else that not already captured. So like O and S here, no, O and A and something else here will be on this second group. So I can show like this, and I will go like second group here, group 2. So this one is on group 2, and then group 1 is here, and then I only want group 1. This one is removed out, and then I can like put space here. It will somehow add space everything on everything here. So it's like have multiple space. So if I go like this, you can see more. Let's go like this. And then there are conditional capture where we have to go this pattern. So we want, if there are one here, I want to show what this. So this S here. So if there are one, then these are the command here. So I have to put colon and plus. If it's there, I want the same one with space. And then close the curly bracket. So I got like this, and then I put comma. So it will not just go like just. So this one have multiple. This one is only show when only provide this when it's found. So will show as it take like this one. Then actually I've been trying to make it this in one shot, but it's too complicated. So I just go with the 3 and go.
Could you again, like I understand the conditional part, but like pretty much I don't understand the syntax. So the dollar, of course, first capture group with the 1, and the double, like the colon. What is the plus?
Plus is when we found anything, we will show anything behind the plus. Yes, I have a link to
when
this
positive.
one. I learned.
Okay.
I
Okay.
have the link. I learned this one from JVDV, who is really the best in the world.
So when the condition is matched, then the plus is pretty much put, and otherwise not.
I'll put this one in common.
Buy me a coffee, JVDV. Okay.
Yeah, like he has crazy solutions on the LinkedIn stuff, so I'm also following him,
Oh, really?
but I haven't seen this post. Yeah. Like he does everything in regex with like literally things where I think I need a reduce or something he does with regex alone.
Wow. Okay.
This one, yes. Yeah, this is more like
Oh my God.
more. So the pattern is the same. So we want anything in the plus, and then the second colon, what do you call this? Semicolon, colon, yeah.
I think
Second
colon, yeah.
colon is, yeah, when we not find anything. So like, if true, then we go with this. If false, we go with this. These are the pattern.
Ah.
Wow.
That was pretty much what I also tried, and I didn't even get anything to work. So thanks for explaining. Damn.
That's awesome. Is that all of your 8 solutions that you've gone through?
It's almost the same. So it's like the same thing here. It's just replace, extract and replace here. So these are the same. Then just like keep, make it shorter. Like, okay, the first one, like I didn't go with that conditional. So I have multiple of the space. This, yeah, I have multiple space, and then other ways I can trim it out, and then replace the space with the substitute space with command space, but it's longer, like
Yeah,
it's short. So this one is the shortest. Yeah,
Lord, that's amazing.
all with wedges. Okay, I have so many tricks in my head here. So uh the one that like the one that Jive doing is like that X is like this one, and mid X by sequence, and X one, this one called N. Then you want to count, but this one is array, so you cannot count, do the count if.
Yeah,
What Chong say is he meant to like unique on M here, lambda U, then sum when N equal what U equal to M.
yeah,
So you can count this one. Then U is unique, then you can accept U. So this is one way to count. So we have done.
nice.
One way to count, and then can do substitute. So we can do a substitute on X, on U, on blank. We got something without that character, and we can check the length. So then X minus then oh, so X. Oh, I don't have U. Oh, and then this is case sensitive, so it lower. Then the recent challenge on the graph, I use widgets, extract this one with all character with one, and then go to call with this, and then I use group bar to count. So left C is one bar, C rows. Count space. Oh, space. And yeah, okay, that would
Wow.
be all for me.
That's so cool.
Thank you.
Okay, cool. I don't even want to do another one. I feel like one's enough. That's blown my mind a little bit. Kind of seeing the levels of how good you can get at this stuff.
Oh, do you mind sending the file in the chat?
Oh yeah, would you
Oh
both
yeah,
mind
sure,
sending the
sure.
files and then because if you're happy with me sharing them, I'll put all our files in.
I think Bo has every solution I had, like pretty much the one. So no need for mine
Do
this
you
time, I
mind sending
think.
yours just so because then as a video it's just nice to say like here are our files. I know what you mean, but
Hmm.
might be quite nice.
Yep.
All right, I'm going to stop the recording there, but that was awesome.